bro. And they just left them out like, we'll put them on next time. Like, that's a, oh my God, no thanks. All right, what's up, guys? It's Monday. We're back at it. A little coil and condenser action. And I just want to say how thrilled I am that the weekend's over and we're back to work. Anyways, okay, so Lennox air handler, pulled the old coil out, put the new coil in, new condenser on the outside, cleaned up the line set all around. They had the unit 45, you know, when they're being lazy, they don't want to put bends in the copper. They got the unit 45 on the outside of on the outdoors, the condenser, you know what I'm talking about. Maybe you don't, but you should. You'll see it. Look down on the side of the roads when you're driving down, and you'll see every now and then there's a condenser that instead of it's square with the house, it's just 45 at an angle. And that's because the valves come out at a 40. Anyways, stop yapping. On the inside, the line set used to run right in front of the coil panel, which you also, before I came in there, you couldn't take it off and service it, which now you can. And it was right in front of the blower panel as well. So if you had it, you know, it's just a mess. So we took that line set up, over, down, and around, put a trap on it because it's an upflow system. And it, well, that doesn't matter, upflow, downflow, but it's a pull-through system. You know, the coil is before the blower, so it's got a negative pressure on that drain. And they didn't even have a trap on the old one. So we put a trap on it, and all right, the way I ended that last clip was, I'm gonna just keep it PG until later in the video. But what I was saying is, it looks perfect, works perfect. Check it out. All right, this system has a leak. Let's see if it has any refrigerant. They did not tell me, so. We got like 15 PSI. There's basically nothing in there. Obviously we have to replace the filter dryer. Filter right here. Cut this before the fitting. Gonna try and put a little hand 45 right here, wham, into a 90. This is always risky business. Turned out pretty good. Making the coil serviceable again. You'll see. Okay, we got the line set actually up and out of the way of the panels. Two brace joints up here. He's got them separated right now to make this a lot easier using the big brain there. Built the metal so you can take this panel off and not have to cut the line set. You gotta love it. I'll show you the outside.
Should be good, yeah?
Yeah, the nitrogen's flowing, you're good. Got the nitrogen flowing, regulator leaks a little bit, you know how it is. Line set. Looks good. What the hell is that? Leak checking it. 300 psi. Don't fall. This isn't normally how I do the vacuum setup. That's how I'm doing it today. Micron gauge. 457. It's only been on there about 10 minutes. I'm sure if I close that off, it would rise a little bit. So I'm gonna let it ride. Put some insulation on that. Wire it up, make it look nice. Okay, Evan's got this looking nice. We strapped it to the return there. This didn't have a trap on it before, but the coil's down here, blower's up there, supply. It's pulling through, it's a pull-through system. It needs a trap on it. Boom, put a trap. This cap is not glued, just friction fit for the cleaning purposes, but it won't affect the airflow as far as the trap goes, because if you don't put a trap, this has a negative pressure. It's going to pull the water out of the drain all up into the coil and the blower motor. So you have to put this cap on it, but you don't want to glue it in case you have to clean it. Anyways, looking pretty nice. This is mine. I better not forget that. We got this thing built. If you need to clean or service this coil, just pop these screws off, pop this out a little bit, and you can take this entire casing off because this is also separate. So, because when I first got here, I had to cut the line set before I could even take this off. We also have the line set over and down instead of in front of both panels. It's looking really good. I didn't do the brazing in here, I didn't do the bending. Evan did all that. It looks amazing. It looks really good. $440. She's coming down. Okay, while it's on the pump, I'm gonna clean up my table. I'll leave the light, leave the bag, because we still have to do startup. You never know what's gonna go wrong. Basically done with all that though. I'm gonna start cleaning up here while we wait. Sounds like a good one. Looks beautiful though. I wish the 2-wire was a little longer, but I'd rather it look like that than have splices in it. This turned out amazing. We had about a 19-degree temp split. Looks really good. Grab the zip tie. We're out of here. Alright, that does it for this video. We are home now, putting the fan in the garage. We're gonna go to the gym, we're gonna hang out with the dog, eat dinner, all the fun stuff. I'm gonna enjoy being home early on this Monday. Alright, if you guys like this video, make sure you actually like it. Hit it with your finger or the mouse, whatever you're watching this on. Alright guys, peace.